Welcome to Park2jet Denver, your ultimate travel companion. From the moment you arrive, we've got you covered. Pre-booked? A quick scan of your QR code gets you going in seconds. Or do you need a spot on the go? Our ticket machine makes it a breeze. Just grab and relax. Our friendly attendants will guide you to your parking spot and coordinate with the shuttle driver. Once you're parked, our shuttle service takes over, helping with your luggage and handing you a handy card with your parking details. All you need to enjoy a smooth ride to the airport, knowing everything is taken care of. Shuttles operate at convenient hours daily. You can count on us to get you to the airport smoothly. When you return, you'll find our shuttle waiting at the airport, ready to bring you back to your car with the same great service. And as you exit, simply scan to open the gate. Quick, smooth, and effortless. Book now at www.park2jetdenver.com and make parking the easiest part of your trip.